Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about why I do not think S&P 500 will hold strong, or at least the risk is massively high. So here's the thing. Probably half of the growth that the S&P 500 experienced within the last couple of years was because of the AI boom. Okay, so AI boom was actually driving S&P 500 that high. Mainly, I would say. What does it mean? It means if that doesn't work, we have actually two major issues. If it works or it doesn't work. So first of all, AI will, if it works, it will replace a lot of jobs. So the money in the people's buckets will go way much less, meaning businesses will have way much less revenue because people don't have money to spend. Okay? And that if it works. So it is kind of like shooting itself in the foot, because where the money is gonna come from if people don't have it, and if you are trying to make people don't have money, how are you also gonna have it? Because those are your customers, the use base of your technology. So if it works, people will not have salaries, they will not spend, and that has to affect the economy. So how, and of course, like in S&P 500 is the most prominent companies that actually holding the economy, and those gonna be affected the most because people go for them the most. And when people don't go, they will not go for them the most. So the effect on them gonna be also at the maximum. Okay, so that's that. Another scenario, or the other case, if AI does not work, if when I say it doesn't work, that not necessarily means that technology doesn't work. But if the AI does not fit in the economy, if it is not that profitable, then what's gonna happen? These extremely astronomically high prices that have been driving the growth of the S&P 500 for Nvidia and such an AI-driven companies will have massive correction. And that correction might crash S&P 500 like crazy. And tons of a lot of the money that was spent will actually contribute to inflation that will make the rest of the S&P 500 not perform well. So S&P 500 might be, and the American economy might be in a massive risk. So I would say the risk alarm, until they figure out what will happen, the risk is so high, very high, in both scenarios. If AI works, great, okay. Are they gonna reduce the prices? Because now AI is anti-inflation? I don't think so. If they do, companies will collapse. Where people will get the money from so they can spend on buying and bumping these companies' evaluations up if AI works. So if AI doesn't work also, then we're gonna have a crash badly in the economy, and that will lead to S&P 500 correction. Probably could reach 40%, 30% plus. So that's my concern, and that's why I think S&P 500 now in a massive risk, let alone now like the investment, like the entire investment in the new generation eyes does not make any sense, because they sucked because of all of these like corruption in the market, and it does not really pay the new investors well enough so they actually feel incentivized or encouraged at least to put their money in. And I don't blame them at all. This market has been corrupted for a long time in a very bad way, and there has to be cleanup. Otherwise, the entire thing will, nobody will touch it. It's gonna be like a very dirty place to put your money in. Have a nice day.